Hi everyone, nice to see you again. I'm going to show you a video today for our craft starting with. So we're going to ask students to make a paper hat, and here's the instructions. First of all, you will need a piece of paper. I actually have two A4 pieces of paper sticky taped together to make it big enough to go on my head. You need a glue stick and some crayons or pencils. So step number one, we need to fold our paper so that it's folded in half. The fold goes to the top, the opening part goes to the bottom. We're going to take this top corner here and fold it down to make a triangle like this. I'm actually going to do it on the table and then hold it up again to show you. So I'm folding it down so it goes towards the middle, pushing down on the fold line, and there we go, we have our triangle. Then I'm going to put a little bit of glue in here and glue it so it sticks down. You can use sticky tape as well, sometimes that's easier. Here's my glue. And that is step one. Step two is to do exactly the same thing with the other side. So folding it down, making a triangle and gluing it down. Again, it is much easier to do it on a table or a flat surface. There we go. Step three, we're going to take one half of the paper and fold it up over the top like this. So it looks a bit like a boat. So see, there's still one bit at the back, and then we've got one bit here, and I'm going to glue that down. So I just ran glue along the back of it and then pushed it on. Okay, turn yours over and we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to take this flap and we're going to fold it up just like this. And then I'm going to glue it together, and I have made myself a paper hat. Because this is a hat for, we're going to do some decorations on it. First thing we're going to do is draw the letter H. I'm going to do a capital and a lowercase, just so the kids know what it looks like. And there we go. There is my. Then what you can get the kids to do is decorate it with pictures of things that start with. So I'm going to draw a hand. And I'm going to draw a hat. And I'm going to draw a hamburger, just for something a bit more exciting. I'm going to have some cheese and some lettuce. It's really good to get the kids to do different colours and make it look a bit more interesting. It will also take them longer. And here we go. I'm just going to put the top of my hamburger. There's my bun with the little seeds. And here you have a paper hat. It will be big enough to fit on the kids' heads. It will fit on my head, just like this. Okay, it will fit better on theirs, hopefully. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Good luck making your hats.